In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open PDF file in Google Sheets. We're going to place a clickable link to a PDF stored in Google Drive right inside a cell in your sheet so you and anyone you share with can open the file quickly. Start by opening your Google Sheet. Click the cell where you want the PDF link to live. I'll call this the highlighted cell. Keeping that spot selected will make it easy to insert the link later. Now switch over to Google Drive in your browser, locate the PDF you want to use. Hover over it and open the More Actions menu, the 3 vertical dots. From there, choose Share. In the sharing window that appears, look for the section that controls link access. Change it to Anyone with the link. This setting ensures people who can access your sheet can also open the PDF without requesting permission. Make sure the access level is set to Viewer, which is perfect for PDFs. When that's set, click Copy Link. You should see a confirmation that the link was copied to your clipboard. Head back to your Google Sheet, right-click the highlighted cell, and choose Insert Link. A small box will appear asking for a URL or a resource. Paste the link you just copied from Google Drive into that field. You'll see the PDF's name or the link preview show up. Confirm to insert it. Now the cell becomes a clickable link. Click the link in the cell to test it. Your PDF will open in Google Drive's viewer in a new tab exactly as expected. If it opens correctly for you but others can't access it, double-check the sharing settings on the PDF in Drive and confirm it's still set to Anyone with the link in Viewer. A couple of quick tips as you work if your sheet is shared with collaborators. This method is ideal because it avoids broken links and permission issues. You can rename the cell's display text to something clear like Open Project PDF by editing the cell after inserting the link. The link remains intact. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can insert a link with Ctrl+K or Command+K on a Mac. And if you have multiple PDFs, repeat the same process for each one in its own cell to build a neat index of files. That's it. You've placed a PDF link into Google Sheets and verified it opens smoothly from the sheet. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.